Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about factors in underwriting under life insurance. What are the factors we have to consider while underwriting under life insurance contract? We already know life insurance underwriting is the process of accepting the proposal of the customer based on the guidelines formulated by the insurance company. When a policyholder or consumer, they apply for life insurance, we have to go through certain aspects. Based on that criteria only, we can finalize the particular applicant. Because based on that, it attracts number of other aspects in the future. So these are the major factors we have to consider while underwriting under life insurance. First one is personal health history. Second one, family history. Third one, occupational history. Fourth one, personal habits and lifestyle. Fifth one, financial status and capacities to pay. Finally, country or place risk. We go through one by one. First one, personal health history. It is major one because in any kind of life insurance, health insurance, the personal health history is important. Based on that, it leads a lot of other things in the future. So, the proposal form comprises of whole list of questions concerning the various system in the human body. When a person take life insurance, so this contains the application form. It question about the functioning system of different organs in the body. So here, whether the life assured has undergone any treatment, any medicines, any test, these are all important because based on your health history, based on your past health history, it may attract, it may cause the things happen in the future in your system. So here they verify all the things under personal health history because based on that, it will decide the possibility of paying claim amount under that. Then second one is family history. So next to personal history, the family history is also important because the genes from the parents plays major role regarding many things. The family history is also important even for mortality rate. You can witness in many cases how long the parent, father, mother, siblings, relatives, how long they live. That factor, the gene factor also have the same thing in the particular person. Yes, there are some environmental factors, food habit also play the major role. At the same time, the gene also play major role. So if a particular father or mother having diabetes, cancer, HIV/AIDS, all these things may cause many aspects for the particular child. So you have to get the family history. So age at the death of parents, siblings, and other medical histories connection with the particular family members should be considered. Third one is occupational history. After personal details and family health details, next one is occupation because what kind of work you do, it impact on your health. Okay. So occupational hazard. If you work in an industrial oriented aspect, the hazard factors are usually high. The same way, so when a person, majority of times, he spend time in a workplace, to morning to evening. So the whatever the hazards he face in the work scenario, it should be considered. Okay, for example, some person may engage in motor car racing. So the risk factor is high. The nature of work is motor car racing. So actually, is day-to-day job. So automatically the risk factor is high. So you have to consider about occupational history. It gives details about the risk factor associated with a particular person. Then fourth one, personal habits and lifestyle. The habits, smoking, drinking, when a person having this kind of habit, definitely it may create some impact on his health. or her health. So what are the habits they are having in their day-to-day life? Even the eatables. When a person takes certain kind of foods regularly, it also may create certain impact on their health. So what are the habits they have in their life, in day-to-day life? That also should be considered while filling the proposal form. Then next one, financial status and capacity to pay. After verifying all those things, the financial things are also important, because when a consumer take a policy is supposed to have the capacity to pay the premium. In some cases, the premium rates are high. So we should know whether the particular consumer having the ability to pay the premium amount or not. So here on that aspect, we have to focus on financial status, whether a particular person having the capacity to pay the premium. Regarding this, the strict assessment should be made, because the premium is the base for any kind of insurance company. Then country or place risk. The place where the particular person is residing, it also may attract more risk or cause for high mortality. If you take certain countries, mostly the frequent war, civil commotion, riots are happening. So in which country you are living? In certain countries, still you witness. If you go through the website, you can see in certain countries, the wars and riots are happening in day-to-day aspects. So in which country you are living, or in which place you are living, it also consider while taking the insurance policy, because based on the place you reside, it attracts the risk factor, mortality factor. Whenever the risk factor is high, automatically the premium will be high. So these are the factors should be considered when a person apply for an insurance policy. So under underwriting in life insurance, these are the factors usually insurance company should consider before accepting the particular insurance of the consumer. Thank you.